Hi, in this video I will show you how to edit your profile in application called Bluesky. First, you have to click icon in right bottom corner, then click Edit Profile. Now you can choose between four options. First is background photo. You can choose from camera or library. I will pick from library. And you can choose whatever picture you want. Second is your profile picture. You can pick from library or make photo. Third is display name. This name will be shown as your username for all the users. And four is description. You can write I don't know, maybe about your hobbies or something like that. Then you click Save Changes and all the changes will be updated. As you see, my username is changed, background and profile picture. Thank you for watching. Subscribe and channel. Goodbye.